Austin Podolsky here, Minimal Aesthetics. I'm excited to talk to you guys today about the MNML Tone, our industry's first 4-in-1 body contouring technology priced under $100,000 with an optional disposable and no consumable. That's right, no pay-per-click fee with this technology. While some competitors have a first-to-market advantage or a few years building their brand, all of our competitors have their limitations, whether it be one treatment area at a time, one treatment modality, or a price that costs providers $50 to $350 per procedure. MNML Tone outclasses everything in the category, and I'm excited to break down that technology for you today. First and foremost, we have our multi-paddle set. Within the multi-paddle set, we have an IR sensor. IR sensors are commonly seen in facial applications within aesthetic technology and rarely seen in body devices. IR sensors allow us to actually manage and monitor the temperature at the contact point throughout procedure. This is a live temperature readout that ensures that we maintain safety, compliance, and efficacy. Next, we have our radio frequency electrode. Our radio frequency electrode has an integrated cooling plate. The cooling plate is something that can be used simultaneously while RF is being emitted to control temperatures to make sure that we do not rise above an impedance factor, duty factor, or heat that would cause a contraindication like a burn or blister. Cooling is very important and something that you'll only see intermittently offered in other technology. In our platform, we have radio frequency integrated with our cooling plate to make sure that we've got safe and efficacious treatments. Next, I want to talk about our EMS electrodes. Our EMS electrodes offer 2000 hertz of output. We are able to achieve this through two harmonious outputs of frequency through two different electrodes, creating a dynamic tissue twisting effect, which is much more synonymous to that of a natural workout. Last but not least, we have our vacuum suction. Our vacuum suction allows for us to suck in specific adipose and target area and drill down on where we are focusing our radio frequency and our EMS stimulation. The integrated vacuum not only adds comfort throughout the procedure, especially as we're going through intense EMS intervals, but it also is going to help impact the lymphatic drainage or prompt lymphatic drainage as we finish off therapy. This paddle is called the dual paddle set, and the dual paddle set has a design that allows for great fitment to the tricep or bicep, especially for your smaller body patients. The dual paddle set offers an IR sensor so that we get direct impedance monitoring throughout therapy. We are able to emit RF with cooling to make sure that we stay at a safe and efficacious temperature while also emitting radio frequency. We haven't seen a paddle released yet for extremities that's quite this narrow. I love the fact that we have the ability to not just emit EMS, which is the muscle stimulation component, but we can emit that radio frequency for those users that may have some excess flab that they want to address underarm. Lastly, we have our EMS only paddle set. This paddle set was designed for those patients that want that extra intensity in their electronic muscle stimulation. It also has a great indication for lower back pain settings. These are some of the largest EMS electrodes that you're going to see on the market today, which is going to help deliver and drive that 2000 hertz even deeper into the muscle tissue to get the proper muscle re-education that your clients may be seeking. We have got three different indicator lights. Purple, letting you know that that panel and channel are selected and that treatment is live in a ready mode. We have a standby mode, which lets you know through the green indicator that the paddle channel has been selected, but has not yet emitted any sort of energy. And then lastly, we have our static mode, which is blue. This lets you know that you're receiving proper power to the paddle, you have not selected a channel, and you're not emitting any energy. MNML Tone offers great preset protocols for turnkey business models. By simply selecting conditioning, cellulite, muscle toning, tightening, or pain relief, we go into an auto-adjusted setting per channel. Additionally, we can go into any one of these specific paddles within a preset, and we can increase or decrease the output or intensity of any one of our features. If we want to create a skin tightening effect in the abdominal, I would adjust the RF target temp to 39, and I can put the RF range anywhere between 1 and 10. If I want to adjust the EMS level, I can do that as well. These are settings that can actually be adjusted live throughout procedure without pausing the specific treatment. So as you can see, I am manually adjusting these settings while we are live within therapy. One common tool you'll see in body contouring equipment is going to be an emergency shutoff button. With our platform, we decided to integrate a patient step down instead of a pager. The step down is unique in that it doesn't pause procedure or leave providers in the wings. It gives the power to the patient. I'll quickly demonstrate for you. We've got our patient prepped. We've got 4 paddles placed, a target temperature of 43, an RF level of 5, and an EMS setting of 18. We've handed the patient pager over to our patient. Providers left the room. The patient starts to experience a little too much heat or a little too much EMS intensity. So they simply press the button, and you'll note that they're going to go down 1 level of setting in both the RF and the EMS. They press it twice, and we continue to go down 3 times. We continue to go down until we go all the way down to 0. After roughly about 30 seconds, that intensity will come back up. So this is not meant to be a shut off. This is not meant to be a full manual hard lock adjustment. This is simply meant to bring power to the patient. To find out more, visit us at mnmltone.com, where technology meets your bottom line.